What's happening, everyone? I know I've been lacking on the videos, but I really haven't had anything to post. But today I'm bringing y'all 2020 Camry TRD. I'm going to do like a quick walk around and then a POV drive. So stay tuned. Let's go. So here we have it, the 2020 Camry TRD. So I'm going to go ahead and start in the inside. Looks to have leather seats, power seats. I love the floor mats. The pedals are nice. The whole interior to me is nice. It looks better than my Q50's interior. Let me get the back for you. Whoop, that's locked. As you can see, the back is also nice. Plenty of leg space back there. I love the TRD rims, the brakes. The front lip is nice. The car looks very nice, especially the stance. It's not too low or not anything. The side skirts, immaculate. The favorite part about this car for me is the spoiler. The spoiler looks super nice. And I love how the exhaust sounds. So that was just a quick overview of the TRD. So I'm about to go ahead and do the point of view drive. And I didn't go through the settings and everything like that, running on borrowed time. So just stay tuned for more. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we back with another video. This time we're in the 2020 Camry TRD. Got 300 horsepower, V6. He don't have a turbo yet, but he will in the future. So far, I love this car. This thing is smooth. It feels better than the Q50. You already know I got rid of the Q50. But here we are, just doing a quick little ride review. Just to see how it is. We're also gonna go the speed limit because we're in Mexico. This car's comfortable. Tay, can you tell us something about the car?
All I can say is I love the car. It drives good, it drives fast when you want to. I try to drive the speed limit every now and then.
Yep, I probably would be in trouble driving this. He did say he wants to get a new exhaust and to make this faster. Does it feel weird being on the passenger seat or your own car?
A bit, yeah. Used to driving.
Oh yeah, this thing is nice. Shoot, compared to the Q50, as soon as you press the gas in here, this car go. I guess I'll give it a little gas up here.
It takes turns real good.
Oh,
fast.
I'll wait till this car pass.
I was shocked.
Boy, I know you be doing that all the time. I believe it.
Yes, ain't that much in it either. Full tank is about $25–30.
Really?
Oh, it takes super unleaded, but it also takes unleaded. I just been putting unleaded in. I think probably like maybe next week or the week after, I'm gonna see what it does with the super premium. I want to empty all of the gas out.
They told you can put both in? I was gonna say, I'm not familiar with these cars. What the heck does that mean?
It means that you're outside your
Oh, I'm not used to these new cars.
Yeah, it'll let you know.
I thought something else was going on.
It'll let you know when you're getting outside your lane. The only thing I need to do is to put my see where my steer assist is at, because right now it's not on it. It only
so fast.
That mug will break instantly for you.
Well, this has been a very enjoyable ride. But until next time, we're out.